Welcome to this guided meditation for deep healing, where we will align with the frequency of 260 Hz, a powerful tone known to support the pineal gland, elevate mood, and promote inner peace. Find a quiet, comfortable place, sit or lie down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Again, inhale deeply, and exhale, letting go of all tension. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, more open, and deeply relaxed. Imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you, offering safety and peace. Now, bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye, the gateway to intuition and higher consciousness. This is where your pineal gland resides, absorbing the healing frequency of 260 Hz. As you continue breathing, visualize a soft indigo light glowing in your forehead. With each inhale, this light brightens, gently stimulating your pineal gland, awakening clarity, intuition, and inner balance. The frequency of 260 Hz resonates deeply within, helping to decalcify and activate your pineal gland, allowing you to feel more connected to your true self. Now, shift your focus to your heart space. If you carry emotional pain or sadness, allow this healing vibration to dissolve any heaviness. Imagine the sound waves of 260 Hz flowing through your heart, melting away past wounds, bringing in a sense of love, hope, and renewal. Picture a gentle wave of pure energy flowing from the crown of your head to the base of your spine. This wave carries healing, rewiring your mind to release negative thought patterns, anxiety, and depression. With each breath, repeat silently, "I am whole, I am healing, I am light." Let this affirmation vibrate through every cell of your body, lifting your spirit, filling you with calm and clarity. Feel a sense of joy awakening within you, like the warmth of the sun after a long winter. You are safe, you are loved, you are healing. Slowly bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. You should now start to feel more relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. Carry this sense of healing, lightness, and peace with you throughout your body. Continue healing on your